Hello everyone, this is Andrew, Technology Specialist from Haldeman Lexus of Princeton. Today I'm going to show you two things about your power back door. I'm going to show you how to adjust the opening height for it, and I'm also going to show you how to turn off the power back door completely. Now it's done in this screen right here between your gauges. Use the controls on your steering wheel. So I'm just going to move it over to the settings icon. Looks like a little gear right there. And then it's on vehicle settings already. I'm just going to select that. And then right there you have power back door, PBD. Select that. So I can go to system settings. I click in there and see it says all on. Now if I keep clicking this little circle button between the directional pads and the steering wheel, it'll cycle through. I can have touchless sensor off or all off. Click it again, goes back to all on. I'll go back a menu, and then you can do opening adjust. And then there's number 5, that's the default 4. It has a little picture there, shows you where the power back door will open and stop at. You can select whatever level you want. I guess, 4. Hit the center button, it saves it, and then that's it. You can go back to the menu wherever you have your information displayed, however you like it. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any more questions, you can come on into Haldeman Lexus, or you can call us at 609-375-1000. Thank you and have a good day.